Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a magic ring. So I have my yarn here, and you want to be holding the end in your left hand. Then you're going to take the rest of the yarn with your right hand and wrap it around those two fingers and then back towards the other side so that it kind of forms an X. So I'm turning my fingers so that I have the back side here. We're going to insert our hook underneath that loop, and we're going to go over the yarn, pull it through, and then twist it up to where our hook is facing up. You're gently sliding the loop off your fingers, keeping that twisted, and then chaining one. And that chain one is going to secure it so that it doesn't undo itself. And there you go, now you have a magic ring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.